Started.
Zombie on the track.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
What up, beautiful people? This your boy B Savage on behalf of BS Nightlife. Back at it again with something super exclusive, something so special, I don't think the city ready for it. This Friday, March 22nd, is the BS Nightlife 2-year anniversary at Lotus Ultra Lounge. Yeah, baby, we done did it for 2 years. Can't believe we came this far in such a short time. So y'all come out and party with me and my fam this Friday, March 22nd at Lotus Ultra Lounge. We doing big drink giveaways. We gonna give away tickets to the concert to go check out Tank, Tyrese, and Genuine. Also my homie, Jared, aka Rock the God, with his Do You clothing. We also giving away clothes that night. This Friday, March 22nd, mark it on your calendar, baby, because it's going down. Lotus is the only place to be this Friday. Also, we got the big single release party for my homie Detroit, so you know we doing it big. All hosted by my homie, Rude Jules, with Definition DJ John, the ones and twos. So y'all come out to the home of the Blue Electric Long Island this Friday for the big anniversary party at Lotus. So y'all follow me on Twitter at BS Nightlife. Also check out the website, www.bsnightlife.com. And if you want to stay connected while you're on the go, download the app, BS Nightlife. It is available for iPhone and Android users. BS Nightlife, belong to is everything. Yeah.
Just as a reminder to myself, I wear every single chain, even when I'm in the house. Cause we started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking.